Best cordless electric mops. With the rising need for quick and hassle-free home cleaning, cordless electric mops have become essential for modern households. They offer the convenience of mobility, durability, and efficiency, perfect for keeping floors spotless without constant manual scrubbing. In this guide, we reviewed the best cordless and electric mops available today, evaluating their build quality, cleaning performance, ease of. Product number 1. Swiffer Power Mop Multi-Surface Mop Kit for Floor Cleaning. Includes Power Mop. The Swiffer Power Mop brings simplicity and convenience to everyday floor cleaning. Designed for use on finished wood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors, it uses absorbent cleaning pads and a built-in spray solution to lift dirt, sticky spills, and grime efficiently. The cordless handheld trigger system eliminates the hassle of mixing solutions and wringing out traditional mop heads. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, making it ideal for quick daily cleaning routines. However, the Power Mop works best for maintenance clean.
Product number 2. Shark Steam Pocket Mop with 2 washable double-sided pads. The Shark Steam Pocket Mop uses the natural power of steam to sanitize and clean floors without chemicals. Its heating system produces continuous steam that helps break down stubborn dirt and eliminate bacteria, making it a strong option for homes with children or pets. The double-sided washable microfiber pads double the cleaning surface, improving efficiency and lowering ongoing maintenance costs. The mop glides easily over sealed hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, offering a smooth and streak-free finish. It is lightweight, easy to store, and quick to set up, heating in under a minute. However, because it is corded. Product number 3. Bissell Spinwave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop Cleaner 18V. The Bissell Spinwave Cordless Pet Spin Mop is designed specifically for homes with pets, offering a blend of scrubbing power and gentle floor care. Its dual spinning mop pads work to lift dried stains, paw prints, and tracked-in dirt without scratching sealed hardwood and tile surfaces. The cordless design, powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, provides up to 20 minutes of cleaning time, suitable for routine whole-room cleaning. The on-demand spray function allows users to control how much cleaning solution is distributed, reducing streaks or residue. Washable microfiber pads help lower replacement costs and support eco-friendly usage.
Product number 4. Shark Vac Mop Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. The Shark Vac Mop stands out by combining vacuum suction and mopping into one device. This dual-function system allows users to pick up dry debris and mop away stuck-on messes simultaneously. It uses absorbent disposable pads that trap dirt, spills, and grime, preventing smearing or respreading during cleaning. The cordless design offers excellent maneuverability across kitchen, hallway, and living room floors. While convenient, the Vac Mop's disposable pad and solution cartridge system can increase recurring costs, particularly in households with heavy daily cleaning needs.
Product number 5. Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop. The Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop offers consistent power with its dual spinning mop pads that handle dirt and stains effectively. Its corded design ensures continuous cleaning time without the need for recharging, making it ideal for larger floor areas. Users can apply cleaning solution with a controlled spray function, ensuring floors do not become overly wet. The Spinwave is gentle enough for sealed hardwood, yet strong enough for tile and vinyl. Washable mop pads reduce ongoing maintenance expenses, and its ergonomic handle makes extended cleaning more comfortable. The main trade-off is reduced mobility due to the power cord.